Here is this app, INVOICE, one of the most popular mobile invoice makers. Invoice to your customers in seconds, get paid faster, works with Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, personalize your invoice, mice invoice on the go, super easy, scan and control receipts, get notified. The easiest way to create and send professional invoices to your clients. It's perfect for small businesses, freelancers, and contractors. Whether you need to create an invoice or estimate, INVOICE is the #1 invoice app for the job. Keep your finances organized with INVOICE. So here you can just create invoices, generate invoices from estimates with a tab, choose from different invoice templates, attach images, discount per item or total, taxes per item, add signature, share or print invoices on the go, quickly set up clients from your phone contact list. So 4 steps, just tap to create invoice, select your client to bill either from your contact, add the desired items, prices, save and send. So super easy just from your mobile. There is also AI features. Then you can just tap create new invoice, invoice name, due on receipt, client. You just can add client, just add name, email, add a tag, item. So then you can just see some things. Oh, I don't know what. And then price, you just set up price, taxable days or hours, save to items, and then you just add it like that. Tax, discount, add payments, markets paid, balance due, and then you just also can do like preview. And super easy, as you can see, like instantly everything is created. And then you can just save it, and then you can just send the invoice. So that's basically how it works, how you save these services. Then you can see estimates, create your first to an invoice later. That's pretty cool. Clients, tools, expenses, time tracking, widgets. So quite popular app, and as you can see, then you can just see all of the reports as well. So one of the easiest apps on App Store actually to have all of this like that. So that's just what you have, and there it is. So give it a try. That's basically the idea, how you can just give it a try, and that's what it is.